How to set guarded access time limit on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now, in order for you to use guarded access, you need to first turn it on. So here, we'll tap on settings from the home screen. And in the settings main page, we scroll down and then tap on accessibility. After that, we scroll down and then tap on guarded access. Now at the top here, make sure you tap on the toggle button on guarded access to switch it on. Then we swipe up to go back to the home screen. Next, open up the app that you want to use. And then triple click on the side button here, 1, 2, 3. And from the accessibility shortcuts menu, tap on guarded access. From here, before you start, tap on options. And then tap on the time limit toggle button to turn it on. From here, you can set a time limit. So here, say I can set it for 1 hour and 35 minutes. Then tap on done, and then tap on start. Next, we set a passcode. Then set the same passcode again to verified. And that's it. We have now started the get access session with a time limit. And that's it. Here, I will end it. And I will tap on the end button to end get access session. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.